Begin by lying down on the floor on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Have your feet a little wider so that your knees can rest into each other, and rest your hands over your belly. Take a few moments here to settle down into the earth, feeling supported and held by Mother Earth herself. Allow your entire back to lean and rest as if it is lengthening against the surface of the earth. Allow your breath to be easeful and natural. You may even track your breath by the movement of your hands going up and down with each inhale and exhale. Soften the front of your body into the back side of your body, and the back side of your body into the earth. If using a chair, the earth is represented by the sturdiness of the chair itself as the earth element, supporting your back, hips, and legs. Continue with a few more easy breaths in and out, as if the breath itself caresses the inside of your body as you inhale and softens as you exhale. We're going to continue on to an intuitive movement practice. From a state of rest, allow little parts of your body start to move and stretch out. Perhaps it's your leg or your shoulder and arm, but the idea is to move in such a way that feels intuitive and natural for you, listening into what your body needs at this moment and move in that direction. There is no right or wrong way of practicing the intuitive movement. The whole concept and goal is to allow yourself to trust your body in the process. You may even sit and stand up if you like, if your intuition calls you to move your body in those directions. There's no perfection, there's no symmetry. You can do everything just on one side or the other. Breathing with ease as you continue, listening to what your body wants and needs to do at this moment. The practice itself is allowing for your mind to trust your own body again. Continue on with a few more breaths, staying in positions for a little while longer if you like. Mobilize with fluidity instead of inside a preset structure. Give yourself another couple of breaths and allow yourself to come back into a state of rest. On your next exhale, bring your left knee in towards you and hold with your arms. Angle your left knee slightly out towards your left side. Hold your left leg as if you are caressing and holding a newborn child, so that your left leg can be completely leaning into your arms. Use your arms to guide your left leg in a circular motion now, as if you're stirring your leg bone into your left hip. Go ahead and reverse your direction, keeping your leg heavy so that the weight of your thigh bone massages into the deep pelvic muscles. Bring your leg back to center and cross your ankle over your right thigh. Pause here with a breath. Allow your leg to relax. And sway your leg slowly side to side, just to a range that feels most comfortable and natural for you. There is no need to push or force yourself into any twist here. Swaying and massaging through your lower back. Return to center and hug your left knee into your chest. Exhale, set your left leg down long and stretch out. Slide your left foot back in and rest your foot by your right. Go ahead and switch sides. Bring your right knee in towards your chest and angling slightly out to your side. If you're sitting on the chair, you can cradle your right leg in any manner that feels most comfortable, perhaps even holding the back of your right thigh. Allow your belly to soften. Take a breath in. Easy exhale. And then use your arms to guide your right leg in a circular motion, as if you're stirring a wooden spoon into a pot. And your right hip is the pot. Go ahead and reverse that circle. And then returning to center, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Pause here for a breath, relaxing through your hips, pelvis, belly, and low back. And gently sway side to side, just to a point that is reasonable for you. Do not force or push your legs down either way. As you return to center, hug your right knee back in towards you again, and stretch your right leg all the way out. And then bend your right knee, place your right foot back in onto the floor. On your next exhale, bring your knees into your chest. Hold them side by side. And gently rock to your left and right so that you can let that massage through your back and roll all the way to one side. Give yourself a few moments here, curled up into the safe, self-soothing fetal position. In this position, in this space, you are coming back to your primal state. Primal state as if you are in your mother's womb, curled up, safe, warm, and sound. And so this effect has a very soothing benefit for your nervous system. Give yourself another breath or two. When you feel ready, use your arms and press yourself up onto your hands and knees. If you're on a chair, you're going to remain on the chair. Hands are underneath your shoulders, and as you inhale, allow your spine to gently arch. Exhale, allow your spine to gently round. And you'll do these two motions to follow the pace at your breath. If there is one direction in which your spine doesn't want to move into, you can do less or skip that altogether. If you feel pain, then again, you can skip altogether or move a little less, like I mentioned before. And then on your next exhale, drop your hips back towards your heels. Stack your fists one on top of the other and rest your forehead on your stacked fist. If on a chair, you'll simply lean forward onto your elbows and let your head rest downward. Allow your breath to travel through the back side of your body, caressing down along the length of your spine. As you feel ready, press yourself back up. If you're on the floor, go ahead and grab a bolster or some blankets so that you can take a seat on some props. If you're on the chair, remain on the chair. Come into a simple cross-leg position. As you can see here, I have another blanket to prop underneath my knees. And you'll also prepare yourself a block if you are on the floor. If you're on the chair, scoot your chair to a table or another chair where you can lean your arm into. Rest your right hand down onto the block, floor, or another propping by your side. Let your head dangle as well, relaxing through your spine, relaxing through your waist and torso, so you're not hiking your waist up. Bring your left arm out to the side, turn your palm up, and reach towards the ceiling. Keep your waist relaxed as you take your left arm forward and extend
out to the side a little bit more, so your arm is just right by your cheekbone. Relax through your waist, belly, and hips. So as the arm lengthens out, it is affecting your spine. Take another breath to 2. And as you inhale, bring your arm all the way down and press yourself up. Rest here at center and notice any changes and effects from the seated side stretch. If you use the props, make sure you bring it to the other side and lean your left hand down. Relax through your neck and waist. No effort through your torso at all. Bring your right arm out to the side and turn your palm facing up. As you exhale, reach your right arm up toward the ceiling and then bring it forward a little bit, then across again so that your upper arm is lined up with your right cheekbone. Allow your waist, hips, and hip creases to soften. So as your arm reaches outwards and upwards, it helps impact the spine, and the spine stays effortless. The spine itself is the one that is impacted, lengthened, and decompressed. On your next exhale, lower your arm and press yourself all the way upright. Take a few moments here to observe the effects, the decompression of the upper spine and the lengthening. As you inhale next, bring your arms up towards the ceiling and exhale, turn to your left side, using your arms to guide the twist so that your spine doesn't have to do too much work. Soften your shoulders down and let your chest lift upwards. Soften through your hip crease. Inhale, turn to center, arms up. Exhale, rotate to your right side. Again, let the belly soften, your arms guiding gently the rotation and spiraling of your spine. Inhale, return to center, arms reach up, and exhale, place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Take a few easy breaths in, feeling your breath move against your hands on your heart and belly. Acknowledge the strength, the beauty, the resilience of your own being as you sit here. You are strong, resilient, and you are beautiful. Give a moment of gratitude to the strength and resiliency, and welcome yourself home.